Hi guys, it's again Amy. Welcome back to my page. So today I want to come and show you guys something that I always do, and so I want to come and share with you guys, some of you guys who are interested in gardening. I know some of you guys are going to be like, what are you into? That's like I always say, I do have a lot of hobbies. I love makeup, I love cooking, I love to crochet, I love to do gardening, I love to do hair, I love beauty and everything. So when we talk about beauty is not all about looking glam, makeup from head to toe, have the longest nails and all that kind of things. Beauty is such a small word, but it has a lot of meaning in it. Beauty is so big. The word beauty kind of looks small, but it's such a very big thing. So today I want to come and show you guys one of my favorite things that I like to do in the summer. You guys know I live in Holland, so you can't actually do gardening for the whole time. If you guys go back, scroll all the way back to my old videos on this page, you guys will see that I used to do gardening. I love gardening. So this year I have been so busy with kids and going up and down that I haven't do garden last year, but I've already put my raised bed, which I already built them, which the kids have already end up breaking one, but I still have one big one which I want to use this year to start my garden. But today I want to show you guys how you can use your food waste, or like banana leaf, all your vegetables, like when you peel some things, the things that remain, how you can use this one to actually make a natural fertilizer, a natural compost for your garden. So I bought this container from the Kruisvaart, if you guys live in Holland. So this is where I use to store my food, and then I bury this on the ground. But before you go plant your food, you have to make sure you bury this on the ground for at least give it 3 to 4 weeks, so that everything gets softer, everything kind of matches with the ground. Because if you just put this on the ground and then you put your plants on top, it's going to actually destroy your plants from oxygen, so your plants are not going to grow, the roots are not going to spread very good. So you have to make sure when you bury this on the ground, you leave it for like 3 to 4 weeks so that everything just get. But also what I like to do when I'm ready to bury this on the ground, I like to take like some tissue paper, because tissue paper helps also with the process. It also helps easy for the worms to come and eat this and make this into a nice compost. So here all I have, I know that's why I never really do my nails. That's why I always tell people my beauty never really goes to my nails, because I'm always doing something with my hands. So that's the reason why I never really do my fingernails. My nails have always been short and natural like this. Sometimes I do wear the fake one if I needed to go somewhere and I wanted to look extra glam, I do, but most of the time I just leave it like this. So here I have some few stuff. I have my banana peel, oranges that the kids didn't eat, apple that the kids eat that they didn't finish, okra. I bought some okra from the store and I cut the okra, and I have my pepper here in which I'm using, and I have my pepper, I have some tomato leaf and all the kind of stuff. And have some pepper, some more of crazy onions leaf, which I have in here, a lot of things. And here I have my egg. So I'm just going to put everything in here. As you guys can see what I have in here, it looks kind of gross, but for me it's not, because this is something I always do. I'm used to it. Even though I'm not really a worm kind of person. I don't like worms, but for no reason when I'm doing my garden, I really can't. I just get my mind off it. But yeah, so here I keep all my waste food. When the kids eat banana, the kids, they know already when they eat banana, or they are eating something, an apple or something, and they don't finish it, they want to throw it away. I have this thing standing right in the kitchen here. So like this is the normal dustbin, and this is standing right here. So the kids, they know that when they don't eat, the apple is finished, they just put the rest in here. I have all this, and this I picked it up from the Aldi, the Lidl, if you guys live in Holland. Actually, these are not the stuff that I'm going to plant, to be honest. Maybe only the pepper. I'm going to plant this pepper, but this thing are not the ones I'm going to plant. I'm going to plant more of tomatoes, stuff that I can easily grow. But the reason why I bought this container, because the ones I have, the kids, they break it. The kids really break it. So, and they also they have already break this one, so as you guys can see, the kids, they break it. So I bought a new one. Here is where I always kind of like start the vegetables I'm going to plant, like tomatoes. I like to start the tomatoes here, and when the tomatoes are like out, when they are become like this, a little bit stronger, and then I'll take them from this container, transfer them outside. So yeah, this is how I organize my waste food for my garden. I know some of you guys are going to find this to be very, very gross, but I really love it. This is something I really like to do in the summer, and this summer I want to go back into my garden and plant some garden stuff. So I'm going to show you guys my raised bed. My raised bed is kind of looking crazy right now because of all the rain that has been coming, so like grass has been growing there, but it's okay. I can clean it up and get to work. So let me guys take you outside and show you guys my raised bed. So guys, this is my raised bed. This is what my raised bed is looking like. This is the one that is still surviving. The other one, this is the other one. The kids, they already break up one of the woods, but I have the wood standing there, which I'm going to fix back later when I'm done cleaning here. So this is my raised bed. I have two raised beds, quite big. This one is the bigger one and this one is a small one, but this year I'm only going to use this smaller one. And I also do have some of my garden stuff containers there. As you guys can see, I'm really into gardening. I really love gardening, so I have some of my containers. Like when, for example, I want to plant like some potatoes, like Irish potatoes, I do plant them in containers. I have like some huge containers there where I used to plant my potatoes. But for the stuff that I'm going to, the waste food, what I do is I'll clear all of this grass, and then I will dig the soil. Like for example, you're going to dig the soil, and then you're going to put the waste food underneath the soil, and then you're going to take the rest of the soil and just close it, leave it for like 3 to 4 weeks. I normally start planting food like from April, May. That's when the weather is kind of like hot enough in Holland to start bringing your stuff outside. So I have some few more weeks to do that. So I'm going to first clean here, and then put the waste food underneath the soil, and then put the soil on top, and then later I'm going to buy extra soil and put it on top also. And then when my plants are ready to come outside, I bring them outside. And some of the plants I'm going to plant in the container. When I'm ready to do that, I'll definitely show you guys. So this is what my garden is looking like. I have such a big garden. This is my garden. You guys can see how big it is. So guys, I want to show you guys something. When you're ready to plant some potatoes, for example, if I want to plant potatoes right now, like you have to buy the potato, leave it for this to start coming. When this one start coming, then you can actually put this one in the soil and put the soil on top, and make sure you leave this one. So as the leaf is growing taller and taller, you are adding more and more soil. So like this one right now, like most of these ones, they are perfect to plant right now if you actually want to plant potatoes, but it's not yet time to plant potatoes, so we're definitely going to eat this one first before planting them. But even when I peeled my potato skin and I peeled the apple, the avocado, I keep all the skins, all the waste, I keep it for in my garden. So this is how I actually I'm really excited to see what I'm going to plant this year. I love gardening. This is just something that keeps me going, that keeps me busy. I have like so many things that I love to do. I love to experiment. I love to try different things. I don't like to just stay doing one thing. That's why I say beauty is just a big category. Beauty is just it's a small word, but it has a very big meaning. So for me, beauty is just everything, trying to do everything, learn everything, things that you love. And I love gardening. I just love to plant the seed and then see the seed become something else, which I really like. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to share, like, and tell me what do you guys think. Tell me what's your hobbies. What do you guys like to do? Because I have so many things I like to do. I really want to know what are your hobbies. So this is one thing I like to do in the summer. To be honest, it's so fun. It's really fun, and I really like it. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. This is Forget Me. Bye.